This afternoon, one of the two suspects charged with capital murder in the death of Harris County Deputy Fernando Esqueda was back in court. Dremone Francis is currently out on a $1 million bond after being charged with capital murder and tampering with evidence. Devon Roming joining us live from the Harris County Courthouse with more on this case. Devon, what's the latest?
Well, Reka, Francis was back in court this morning to hear conditions of his bond as he's currently out on house arrest. Now, Francis was joined by his family and defense attorney as he showed up to court this morning. He's charged with capital murder and tampering with evidence in the death of Harris County Deputy Fernando Esqueda, who was shot and killed last July in an ambush while looking for a suspect who allegedly pistol whipped a Little Caesars employee over a wrong pizza order. Judge Hillary Unger says she was told by prosecutors that Francis's co-defendant Ronald Palmer is the alleged shooter, so she set a bond for Francis. Upon Francis's release last week, critics argued the judge made the wrong call by setting a $1 million bond and called his release a slap in the face to law enforcement. Many of them packed the courtroom this morning in a show of support for Deputy Esqueda.
The point is the fact that they're just putting all this scrutiny on our system. Police officers collect evidence. Go do your job and collect evidence. Let us deal with the rest of it. Let the judge, the state, and the defense lawyers deal with the serious part. Just go collect evidence and then let us deal with the case. Instead of, all these police officers and all this scrutiny being put on this judge. Honestly, it's disgusting.
Francis's attorney says his client is presumed innocent until proven guilty, and there is no proof that his client pulled the trigger. He says his client was home in his garage smoking a cigarette at the time of the shooting, and he shouldn't be facing a capital murder charge. Meanwhile, prosecutors in this case declined to comment this morning, but Francis is due back in court on May 29th. Live in downtown Houston, Devon Roming, KHOU 11 News.
We will continue to follow this case. Devon, thank you.